adventure with the Mark II is we're gonna put in some clutch. This is the pin in. Well, this is the pin, or this is the pin. I don't know. These pieces for the clutch pedal, and we're gonna put in an accelerator pedal and cable. This is for the JZX81 Mark II. Accelerator bracket's the same, but the cable is a little short for a front-facing JZ motor that was in there, but this should work for what I need it to. When I first got this car, I noticed here on the floor there are these bolts. And there should be another one. Oh, yeah, there it is. These 4 bolts. I didn't know what they were for, but now I suspect that they're for the accelerator. Yep. Looks like 2 short ones, 2 long ones. Looks like short ones are going to be for the pedal. And the long ones are going to be for this piece. Oh yeah, just barely enough. Now, because of my bad knees, I always have to use a blue tarp thing to lay on this, put my knees on. I think what we have to do first is we have to feed this guy through. Yeah, because this all bolts on this side. Yeah, it's gonna come out right through this hole. Bad knees. Don't get old, folks. Don't get overweight either. Ooh. Hit my ear. Right up there. Gotta feed this guy through. Now, a real question I have is, does it go this way? Or does it go this way? So yeah, the question definitely becomes, which way do I put this thing? I think...
Here you go, thinking again. That's going to be the cause of your downfall.
I think it goes this way. I think it goes that way. Alright, so I just went and looked it up on my phone via the diagram of how it's supposed to look, and that's how it's supposed to be. The little stopper at the bottom and the arm part of it at the top. Had to remove this thing that was bolted up here. It is, let's see, the big piece is the fan control system, because JZX81s had a hydro fan / electric fan type thing. Anyway, that's what that thing is. But this is called door control. I would throw this away, but this needs this bracket to bolt in. And it looks like it's welded together. So, guess I'm keeping the fan control because I want to be able to use the doors. At least for now. Now we know this is how it's supposed to go. We can get some bolts up in there. This whole part of the firewall I think is on an angle anyway, so I don't think you're supposed to go in it too high. And also, this thing was painted, so there might be paint in the threads, so it's hard to tell. So I guess it was just paint, because they've gone in pretty easy. I say that. Watch, now I'll have problems. Alright, now that that's done, let's try to put this pedal in. Alright, that one's on. Get this top one. If the cable will get out of the way. Now I think before I get too down the line, I need to try to go ahead and connect this guy, which should be pretty simple. Yeah, there we go. Is that how it goes? Like that? No. I think that's how it goes up there. The rubber part. Anyway. This is what I wish I had. Electric tools. Just zip these in. Alright, so that's all I'm done for. Gas pedal. Yeah, all this has got to definitely go out the way. Alright, now what we need to do is tackle that guy. So they originally gave a bolt when they put this thing in for some reason. So we got the original Toyota one here. Alright.
Not a great plan.
Just the whole... Oh yeah, this is that. That's why you gotta go through the backside, because there's a plate on the other side. On the other side.
Fuck the phones, Lloyd. Unless Carmen Electric calls for an emergency titty fuck, don't answer.
Come on, you bitch. There we go. This needs to be spun. Oh, there we go. Now we have a clutch pedal. Woohoo! I forgot to do an outro for this video. Forgot to do it on actually a few videos that are coming up, but yeah, got the clutch pedal and the pivot pin in, and got the gas pedal in. Come to find out, and like months later, I was digging through the trunk. There's a box the guy put in the door handles and some other little things, and inside there was the gas pedal and cable. Not sure if it was it looks short, like it doesn't look like a JZX cable, it looks like a GX cable, but lo and behold, there it was. So I didn't have to buy that. It's like the second thing on this vehicle I bought that I didn't need. Anyway, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm trying to put one of these out every week. Yeah. See ya.